my daughter decided she wanted to get off the abandoned boat, so here we are. I'm gonna hand her
Hello, people.
Hey, I'm gonna hand her my phone so she can record for it.
Yeah.
All right, Emma, why don't you look around and watch where you're walking.
Yeah, of
You know,
course.
there's like loose floorboards and crap.
There's a bunch of stuff in here. I don't really know how to narrate, so you'll have to bear with me.
I guess I should have gave you back the glasses.
That's alright. I can still see.
Can you see?
Well, there's a sink and stuff over there. You can see that's
But,
collapsed.
yeah, just be aware of the
Sail.
loose flooring because you never know what could potentially fail. Like, just please.
Yeah. It seems stable. And there's still a bunch of stuff on it, but even so, don't worry, I will.
Alright. But yeah.
A bunch
I
of
kinda
broken
wish you
glass.
did the recording like sideways though, but it's fine.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Little engine here. See, it's all like crusty and kind of gross.
Yeah, just try to keep it sideways like that because you're gonna mess up the recording.
Okay.
And watch your step. That's more important than any damn recording.
Yeah, of course.
Did you get me by chance?
No.
Okay. Here, done.
Here, we can look in here.
Alright, just be careful.
You can see down there's water, so it is indeed sunken.
Just said, watch your step.
Okay. You can see out here that not really much to it, but it's still interesting.
Okay.
Rusty equipment here. Window is shattered, you can see. Obviously, I'm not going to climb up. That would not be very safe, but
No.
it's a little tour of it.